So good evening Aditya. Good evening. Let's come everyone. Let's join everyone. Yeah, good evening Bhushan. Good evening Aditya. Let's come everyone. Let's everyone come. Let me know audio video okay or not. Sir, so much stress of exam for everyone. Aditya, everyone at this time, what you will do? That will decide your growth. Stress is there. You want to live blindly, then you are becoming a normal person. Stress there, still how you manage. You are managing nicely, then you are going to reach the top places. No, I cannot handle this stress, then you are ordinary person. Yeah, go ahead, Bhushan. So handle nicely. Everyone, whoever will say that, sir, exams are nearer, I have stress, everyone have. You have, I have, everyone. Everyone having stress. Yeah, keep your right, keep pushing Aditya, keep pushing yourself. Do your best. Hi Dave. Hi. Thank you Dave. Thank you so much. I too your fan. Only C programming. Bhushan, only C programming. That is the reason, so 5 classes are enough. Afterwards DS. So incognito saying that not able to see others comment. Yeah, that is my plan. Bhaiya, incognito bhaiya, that is my plan. You are unable to see. Yeah, I am successful. I am successful bhaiya. That is the way how the plan is done. That is how plan is done bhaiya. Your native place, tell me. So started the revision in my today's first day. I have been following you almost 3 years. Thank you incognito. My native place is Delhi. My native place is Delhi. My mama papa given birth in Hyderabad, right? Approximately in Andhra Pradesh, somewhere in one of the village they given the birth to me. Afterwards, right, by slowly walking, I came to Delhi. I stayed in Delhi only. By slowly walking, I came to Delhi. Just I asked everyone, what is the capital of India? Everyone saying Delhi. Slowly I came here. My mama papa given birth in Andhra Pradesh in one of the village. Slowly I walked. My mama papa saying we forgotten, right? My kid is forgotten my house. My mama papa saying that my kid is forgotten my house. Someone is kidnapped me. My mama papa thinking. But interesting thing is I only came by walking. Yeah, so in Andhra Pradesh, the area name is called Ongol. BFT. Walking, you went to Delhi. Yeah, I think. Yeah. I can say DFT. I can say DFT. Yeah. Can we move further? Rupayan, can we move further? Can we move further? Ropine, everyone, can we start? I hope all people came. BFT or DFT? Yeah, I came by DFT. I thought I am nonsense, you are double nonsense. Are incognito, I thought I am only nonsense. You are more nonsense. Right. So let's start the session. I hope everyone is came. So post in every group. Aditya, post in every group so that many people will get advantage. You all people post in every group. It will be useful to everyone. Just post one time. One time remind them, because of today is the first class. Today is the first class. Maybe some people forget them. Can you post in every group? Yeah, let's start this. Let's start the session. 300 right 300 tough problem for C programming. I am saying very confidently. I am saying very confidently. You please study all these, whatever I am going to say, these 300 questions. Please, you try all these 300 program. I am sure out of these 300, right, 5 to 10 problems will come in gate examination from these 300. Maybe directly, maybe indirectly. It's my promise. It is my promise. Out of these 300, I am very sure 5 to 10 problems will come in the gate exam. It is a more than enough. Still, if you have time, maybe you can study other subjects and all. But this subject, these 300 programs, whatever I am going to say, these are more than enough. These are more than enough. Right? Let's start now. So don't miss one thing also. Right? If you have small doubt also, you can ask me. If you have small doubt also, you can ask me. Just give me 1 or 2 minutes. Right? I will complete this. This is required to us. So there is a rank improvement course. For every subject, 300 questions are there. Like that, 13 subjects, approximately 3,500 to 4,000 questions are there. So those people who are preparing for GATE 2025, this course is going to be really useful, right? So if you are already done the syllabus completion, I recommend everyone, please follow this particular one. Use this code EPT595ARJ, you will get some discount also. Next one, if anyone is preparing for placements, if you are preparing for placements, right? So there is a DSA course for placements is available, right? This is the one of my student, right? He got Microsoft, he got Walmart, he got Amazon, right? So this is the message what he sent, right? So definitely you are going to get a lot of advantage with this course, right? The people who made this course is myself and Google developer, Microsoft developer, Amazon developer. So team of approximately 5 people. 5 people team made this particular course. It is going to be very useful if you are preparing for placements, right? So my suggestion is you can think about it. You will definitely get a lot of advantage. Right. Yeah, just give me few minutes, right? Few minutes motion, right? So that we can start. There is a crash course for 2025 people, right? If you are completed the syllabus, in few concepts, if you have doubt, you can take this crash course. Wherever you have doubt, you can refer once. You can take this crash course wherever you have doubt, you can refer, because crash course contain RIC also. Inside the crash course, you will get the RIC also, and a test series also you will get. RIC also, test series also. Here also, in the rank improvement course, you will get the rank improvement course and test series also. Right. Okay, fine. I think 2025 people, right? So these will be really useful. You can go ahead. Now let's start. Let's start now. It is the first program. Can you go ahead? It is the first program. Can you go ahead? Everyone, can you start this? Can you go ahead? Yeah, this is the first program. So I'm saying to you, 300 programs are there. 300 programs. Please go through everything. Little doubt also there, ask me. In examination, I am sure out of them, 5 to 10 problems will come directly, mostly, or indirectly. Directly or mostly indirectly. Right. Please, can you go through it? Please go through it. Incognito, you can WhatsApp me, right? You can go to the exampreptool.com. From there also you can get, or you can WhatsApp me. I am going to help you there also. This is the WhatsApp number. You can ask us. You can just ping me. I am going to help you. Just go to exampreptool.com. From there you can. Exampreptool.com. Yeah, start everyone. What is the answer of this problem? Go ahead. Go ahead. What is the answer of this? Similar kind of problem will come in examination. In examination, similar kind of problems will come. Very small problems. Very small problems will come. Small tricks are there. Tricks are there. They don't give very big problem. They don't give very big problem. They will give very small problem. Small tricks are there. Yeah, can you go ahead? Can you go ahead? What is the answer of this? You can go to exampreptool.com or you can WhatsApp me. I'm going to help you. Yeah, let's start. Let's start now. So they're asking maximum will return maximum element. Because of he is using max function, they already explained that max will return maximum element. Max will return maximum element. Can everyone try this? Similar kind of problems only will come in the exam. In the exam, similar kind of problems only will come. Can you go ahead? Can you go ahead for this? What is the answer for this? Small recursion they will ask in exam. In exam, the way of asking question is recursion and array, recursion and pointer. Right? The way of asking questions are recursion and pointer, recursion and array, recursion and static variable. All combinedly also may come. All combinedly also may come. Yeah, I think someone is asking WhatsApp number. Let me write my WhatsApp number. Someone is asking. Yeah. Can anyone guess what is the answer of this? Remember, answer is not important. Procedure is important. Answer is not important. Procedure is important. Please follow the procedure. Please follow the procedure. Answer is not important. Procedure is important. So Aditya saying 3. Aditya saying 3. Maybe you are correct, Aditya. So I will do one time. Aditya, maybe you are correct. I will do one time. Right? Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. So I'm starting. Everyone try to understand. I'm starting now. So from main program onwards, it is running. See, main program. It is the 0th location. It is the first location, second location, third location, fourth location. It is a array, right? It is a array. First element address is 1000. Let us assume that integer value 2 bytes. Integer 2 bytes. 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008. Every element having address. Assume first element address 1000, next element address 1002. Because of array, all are continuous. Because of array, all are continuous. 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on 4. Total 5 people. So this function is called program execution will start from main program. So first line is completed. Second line, right? Printf %d f of a comma 5. F of a comma 5. So let's see this one. F of a comma 5. Everyone try to understand. A comma 5. Who is the receiver? A received by P, 5 received by N. So 5 is coming here. A coming means 1000 coming. Array is coming means base address is coming. Because of it is the address pointer variable. Address will be received by pointer variable. Data will be received by normal variable. Address will be received by pointer variable. right? Data will be received by normal variable. So a and n, where a is 1000 here, so n is 5 here. So here the name what they given is p. The name what they given is p. Otherwise I will write properly. See this one. So received by p. Inside p there is a 1000. Inside n there is a 5. Like that it is there. F of p comma n, where p is 1000, n is 5. Now let's start one by one. So in the program, first line, second line. So let me check. Is first line is okay, right? P is 1000, n is 5. Is 5 is less than or equal to 1? Condition fail. Come to the else. In the else, return max of this. Max of this. So let me check this one. Return max of. Let me check. Max of. It is saying that max of f of a plus 1. Remember, p is an integer pointer. Integer pointer will increment by 2 bytes. Integer pointer will increment by 2 bytes. Max of f of, because of it is a recursion, same story only, but first time p is 1000, second time p is 1000 and plus 2, because it is an integer pointer. Integer pointer, see, everyone 2 bytes difference. When you say integer, 2 bytes difference. F of, right? So p plus 1 comma n minus 1. Same story. The only thing is values are changing. So p now contain 1002. P now contain 1002. N became 4. Max of this function, comma, what is the p of 0? P 1000. See this one. P 1000. P in this function, p is 1000. P of 0 means 1000 of 0. 1000 of 0, which is nothing but star 1000 plus 0. So which is nothing but star 1000. Star 1000 means the value inside 1000. The value inside 1000 is going to be 3. So this is 3. Minus p of 1 means star 1000 plus 1. Right? I think 1000 plus 1 because of integer pointer 1002. Star 1002 is 5. 3 minus 2 is minus 2. So max of first person and second person. But remember, don't go to second person as of now. Go to first person. Max function required 2 people, left one, right one. Without left, don't go to right. Without left, don't go to right. First complete left. Right? Then afterwards we will see right also. My suggestion to everyone, this may be the one of the mistake what people will do. My suggestion is, please don't calculate this. Sometimes it will make you wrong. Because without completing left, you cannot go to right. Because left person may change the people whom you are using the right hand side. My request to everyone, without completing first parameter, don't go to second parameter. First parameter may affect the second people. So after coming back, we will think about the right side people. Let me write as it is. P of 0 minus P of 1. After coming back, we'll check. First, as of now, I have to check only this. Right? Let me start this. Max of, right? So f of p comma n. Right? P 1002, n 4. Is n value 4 less than or equal to 1? Condition fail. Again, same story. So I am managing the space somehow. Please try to understand everyone. So here again, max of again same story. F of, right? P becomes 1004. P become 1004. Right? N minus 1. Right? N became 3. That is okay. Comma, here see this one. Again same story. P of 0, P of 1. Gate exam questions are some small trick will be there. Other than this, nothing. Do you know recursion or not? With the help of this problem, he is asking you, do you know recursion or not? Do you know small tricks or not? Do you know pointers or not? Small tricks he is using. Let's check once again. So this function is going on. Again, n value 3. Condition is failed. Come to the else part. Max of f of, right? So p, again increment by 2. 1006. So n value became 2. Comma, p of 0 minus p of 1. Remember everyone, here p is not array, p is a pointer. Remember everyone, here P is not array, P is a pointer. P is not array, P is a pointer. Everyone try to understand. Here P is not array, P is a pointer. Pointer means address. Remember, array passing is nothing but address passing. Array is not going. Array base address going. If anyone thinking array going, please try to remember array cannot go. Array going is nothing but first person address going, 1000 going. Array is not going, first person address going. Try to understand. So here P is a pointer. So the purpose of this program is he is asking you, do you know recursion or not? He is asking you, do you know small pointer concept or not? Small pointer concept or not? Small things he is asking. Let's check. Let's check once again. So this is started. So again go here. Again go here. So what is the answer? F function is calling. I think n value 2 less than or equal to 1 condition is failed. So again what is the answer? Max of what is the answer? F of, right? P 1008 comma, right? N is 1. Now be careful everyone. Be careful everyone. Here P of 0 minus P of 1. Be careful. Now again recursion is going on. Now see the answer. Everyone concentrate. Is n value less than or equal to 1? Yes, return 0. Now I am using another color so that you will get the clarity. Now it will return 0. Please see the answer. It is came here, n value less than or equal to 1, condition true. Return 0. Remember, this place 0 will be there. This place 0 will be there. Return 0 means from which place you came, that place 0 will go. So this is 0. This is 0. Now some people are asking, sir, what about this, sir? Max of these two people. Can you help? As of now, P 1008. What is the P of 0? Remember everyone. P of 0. As of now, P 1008. 1008 of 0, which is nothing but star 1008 plus 0, which is nothing but star 1008. The value inside 1008 is 4. This is 4. The value inside 1010, next person, right? 1008 plus 1. Plus 1 means 2 bytes, which is nothing but star 1010. Remember, integer pointer will increment by 2 bytes. The value inside 1010. The value inside 1010. Now, please let me ask you one small line. Now I am at 1008, right? Careful everyone. If anyone having small objection also, let's check here. It is the 1000, it is the 1002, it is the 1004, it is the 1006, it is the 1006, it is the 1008. At this place, what is the n value? 1. Let me check here. So initially n value is 5. Initially n value 5. Next n value is 4. Next n value 3. Next n value 2. Next n value 1. Is it n is less than or equal to 1? Yes. Return 0. Now see the answer. Return 0. This is returning 0. Okay. What is the P of 0 now? What is P? P 1008. 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008. Let me know if I done anything wrong. Let me know if I done anything wrong. P of 0 minus P of 1. P of 0 minus P of 1. N less than or equal to 1. N value 1 here. N value 1 here. Condition is right, true. Return 0. That is okay. What about here? P of 0. Star 1008. 4. Star 1008. 4. What is the star 1010? Can anyone guess? What is the star 1010? Is there anywhere something wrong? Check once. First 5, next 4, next 3, next 2, next 1. Whenever 1 is going on. Remember everyone. This is the most probable mistake. Everyone understand. This is the most probable mistake everyone understands. See this one. See everyone. Max of this one, comma this one. Remember, for this function, right? P you have to take, right? P you have to take from here. To this function, P is this only. For this function, P is here. Otherwise, problem will come. P 1006. The value inside 1006. Be careful, everyone. That is the reason he is given this problem. If you don't know recursion, small mistake you will do. So here, this function already over. This function already over, you got 0. Now you are at this function, at this place, P 1006. P 1006. The value inside 1006, which is going to be 6. The value inside 1008, right? 6 plus 1. Let me check. The value inside 1008. 1008, which is going to be 4. 6 minus 4, which is going to be 2. So 0, 2, maximum is 2. Now once again, to this function, from here you have to take p value because this function over this function. So please be careful. The value inside 1004, the value inside 1004, how much? 2. The value inside 1006, so 6. 2 minus 6 is going to be minus 4. It will become minus 4. 2 comma minus 4, so 2. This is 2. Now come here now. So in this function, P of 0, P is 1002. The value inside 1002 is 5. The value inside 1004 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 comma 3 maximum is 3. So finally this became 3. Finally this became 3. Now P of 0 became the value inside 1000. So 3. The value inside 1002, 5. It's a 5. It is a 3. It is a 5. Right? 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 3 comma minus 2 becomes 3. So finally 3. Output of this program is 3. If anyone having any objection, please let me know. Remember, small mistakes can happen. Please rectify. You may be thinking the mistake whatever I done, right? So it is my mistake. No, it is the most probable mistake. It is the most probable mistake. In the recursion, it is the most probable mistake. Remember, whenever this function is going on, this is the P. But this is not part of this function. This function over, then you came here. This is a part of the previous function. This is the part of the previous function. This is the part of the previous function. I am really saying this only will come in the GATE exam. Please careful. This only will come in the GATE exam. Please careful. Please careful, everyone. The purpose of this problem, see, from now onwards, please careful. Practice. Recursion plus pointer plus array plus static variable. Please practice these, right? Combinedly questions will come or individually will come. These two may come. Combinedly may come. These three may come. Any combination can come. Small mistakes will happen. Small mistakes. So can we go to next problem? If you don't have any doubt, can we go to next problem? Anyone having any doubt, let me know. Small doubt also there, please let me know. Ready, sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Ready, sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Anyone? Answer is 3. Most probable mistake is, right? So you have to take previous p value, previous function. See, listen everyone, you are at here, you have to take this p because this is the part of the previous function. This is not part of the current function. This is the part of the previous function. Please careful. This is a part of the previous function, right? So this is the most probable mistake here. Can we move to next problem? If you agree, please let me know. Magan is saying hello. Hello, Magan. Hi. Anyone having any objection? Anyone having any objection? Can we move to next? This may come in the exam. This may come in the exam. Please careful. This may come in the exam. Similar. In the place of max, you may write min. In the place of max, you may write min. In the place of p of 0 minus p of 1, you may write p of 1 minus p of 0. You may write p of 0 minus p of 1. And one more small thing I think many people knows. P of 0, you may write in the exam. P of 0, you may write in the exam. 0 of p. P of 1, you may write in the examination. Right? So 1 of p. 1 of p. Right? You may write in the examination. This may write star 0 plus p. You may write in the examination star 1 plus p. Right? So all three will be similar. All three are same. If anyone don't know, please take care. If anyone don't know, please take care. If anyone don't know, please take care. Let's move to next problem. Yeah, can you try this? What is the answer of this? Go ahead. It is also most probably this will also come in the exam. Most probably this will also come in the exam. Can you go ahead? Most probably this will come in the examination. Can you go ahead? If you are attending this lecture, if you are attending these all lectures, whatever I am going to say, for in C programming, you no need to try anything. Just to try these problems. Just to try these problems. They are more than enough. They are more than enough. This is the Khatarnak problem. This is a very dangerous problem. Most probably this may come. It look like difficult. So as I mentioned to you, recursion and static variable they can use. Only recursion static variable, recursion array, recursion pointer, these are the combinations. Similar kind of thing may come in the exam. And one more, the return value of function 2 of 5. The return value of function 2 of 5. The return value of function 2 of 5. It is a very tricky problem. Let's see how many people will give answer. Let's see how many people will give answer. Static variable memory will allocate only one time. Static variable initialization will be done only one time. That is also compile time. Static variable memory one time, static variable initialization also one time. Memory one time, initialization also one time. By default, static variable will be initialized to 0. By default, static variable will be initialized to 0. Let's see how many people will give answer. Let's see how many people will give answer. Let's see how many people will give answer. Hi. Yeah, I am fine. I hope you too. Can you go ahead? Everyone, can you go ahead? It is the maximum thing what can happen in the exam. It is a maximum. This problem you can do means you can do anything. This problem you can do means you can do anything. Everyone can try. Everyone can try. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. If you try, you will get to know where are you going wrong. So I think you have to start from fun to function. Fun2 function you have to start. Do you believe or not? Inside fun2, you are using fun1. Inside fun2, you are using fun1. Please try to understand. Inside fun2, you are using fun1. Sir, where can I get your notes? Yeah, in the EPT. In the EPT, you can find it. In the EPT, you can find it. Or you can WhatsApp me. You can WhatsApp me. I'm going to help you. Yes, yes. So PDF, mostly PDF. Someone is saying 55. Yeah, she's saying 55. Let's see. Can we go ahead? Yeah, let me go ahead. It is a very, very interesting one. Everyone see. Everyone see. It is a very, very interesting problem. Everyone see. Everyone see this. Very, very interesting. See, I have gap also. I can manage it. Everyone try to understand. This problem you are okay means you are okay with most of the problems. This problem purpose is you should know recursion. You should know static variable. You should know recursion. You should know static variable. Let me start. Don't discourage. Don't discourage if you get the wrong answer. I know most probably you will give wrong answer. That is the reason I took this problem. I took this problem. Mostly you will give wrong answer. I know that. You no need to criticize yourself. I'm very sure you will give wrong answer. Right? Let's start. Let's start everyone. So he's asking fun2. Start from fun2. I started from fun2. See this one? Fun2 of n. What is the n value? 5. Fun2 of 5. N value 5. Be careful everyone. Fun2 of 5. Right? So first line. See everyone listen. Everyone. Static variable. Static variable. Memory will allocate only once. So I memory created value 0. One time memory creation. One time initialization. Static variable, right? Remember, static variable memory will not allocate inside stack. Static variable memory will allocate in the static area. That is the reason. See, I kept outside because static variable memory will not allocate inside stack. Static variable memory will allocate right in the static area. Static area. Static area. It is a static area, so I allocated. Right. So okay, first line. See, first line. Second line is completed. Now remember n value as of now 5. N value as of 5. 5 greater than 0 if condition. 5 greater than 0 condition true. 5 greater than 0 condition true. Then come inside. Remember inside 3 there is a fourth also, there is a fifth also. Third condition true means I have to complete 4 also, I have to complete 5 also. Let's see the 4. Right? So third condition true means I have to complete 3 also, I have to complete 4 also, I have to complete 5 also. 3 true, 4, 5 required, 4, 5. So afterwards we'll think about 5. Let's think about 4 now. See the 4, I is equal to I plus fun1 of n, where n is 5. Fun1 of 5, where n is 5. Remember. So fun1 of 5 required. Let me execute here. Fun1 of 5. No need to discourage. This is the maximum problem which can disturb you. This is the maximum what can happen in the C programming. It is the maximum thing what can happen. No need to discourage. What is going on? Try to identify. If any doubts are there, you ask me. F1 of n value 5. F1 of n where n is 5. Right? Now let's start now. Inside if you observe, again static variable I. Remember this is different, that is different. It's a local variable. Yeah, let me make 5G. Let me make 5G. Otherwise some small disturbances will come. I'm making 5G. Yeah, perfect. I value 5. Everyone listen. I value 5. sorry, I value 0, n value 5. So right, f1 function going on, first line over, second line over. Can you see the third line? So n value 5, 5 is greater than 0, condition true. So remember, third condition true means 4 5 required, 4 5 required. Third condition true means 4 5 required. What are the 4? Plus I. So I value will increment by 1. Okay. Next one, fun 1 of n minus 1. Fun 1 of n minus 1. So n minus 1. Fun 1 of n minus 1. N became 4 now. Again recursion. So first step, right? Static variable, you cannot create memory again, you cannot initialize also. First line over, second line over, third line, n value 4, 4 greater than 0, condition true. Then 4 and 5 you have to execute. What are the 4? I value will increment by 1. Right? What is the 5? F1 of n value previously 4, now it became 3. So again same story. So first line, right? First line, it's okay. Second one, static variable, memory will not create, memory will not initialize. Same. I think first line, second line over, third line, right? N value 3, 3 greater than 0, condition is true. Then plus I, it became 3. Afterwards, 3, right? I think 4 completed, 5 completed. Right? 4 completed, 5. What are the 5? F1 of n, where n value is 2. Where n value 2, again same story. Right? First line, second line completed. Third one, n value 2, 2 greater than 0, condition is true. Plus I. Fourth one, fifth one, plus I. It became 4. Right? Fifth one is going to be F1 of n, where n is 1. Again, right? Recursion is going on. First one, second one, skip. Third one, n value is 1. 1 greater than 0, condition true. So fourth one, fifth one. Fourth one is plus I, 5. Right? Next one, F1 of n, where n value is 0 now. Previously 1 means 0. Now everyone listen. So n value 0 now. First condition, second condition, okay. Third one, n is 0. 0 greater than 0, condition fail. Lastly return I. Because of this one, return I value 5. 5 will be returned. What I mean to say is, everyone try to understand. See, F1 of 5 is called, it is finally returning 5. Whenever you call F1 function with the I, remember this person will increment 5 times. If you send 5, this person will increment 5 times. Whatever is there, it will increment by 5 times. Initially 0 there, after incrementing 5 times, 5 came. Try to understand the F1 function. F1 function, if you call F1 of 10, right, that I value will increment by 10 times. F1 function, if you call 7, that I value will increment by 7 times. So remember, so finally return I value 5 will go. This is 5. What is the I value in this function? This I value 0. So 0 plus 5 is 5. I value became 5. Fourth line is completed. Can you see the fifth line? Remember, this I will update also. I is equal to I plus 0 plus 5. So this I value became 5. So fourth line is completed. Can you see the fifth line? Can you see the first line? Sorry, fifth line. F2 of n minus 1. Now n became 4. Again recursion started. Those people who are having little doubt also, you may get in the second round. Let me do the second round. Everyone, let me do second round. So second round, if you observe, first step is completed. Second step is completed, because static variable you cannot initialize again. See the third step. N value is 4. 4 greater than 0. Condition is true. Now 4, 5 required. Everyone try to understand. 4, 5. What are the 4? Everyone listen. What are the 4? I is equal to I plus F1 of 4. Everyone listen. F1 of 4. Do you believe or not? If you call the F1 function with the 4, whatever existing, it will repeat 4 times. Whatever is the existing one, it will add 4 times. See, first time it became 6. Next time it became 7. Next time it became 8. Next time it became 9. For the 5, 4 will be added. So remember, whatever is there, that will increment 4 times. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So I value already 5. 5 plus 9, it became 14. It became 14. Now next one, f2 of n, where n value become 3. No need to discourage. No need to discourage. It is a maximum thing which can happen in the C programming. It is the best problem. It may take some time, right? Don't worry. This kind of problem will come. Next time, please handle properly. Next time, please handle properly. Can you go to the f2 of n? Same story. Same story. First step completed. Second step completed. Third step is n value 3. 3 greater than 0. Condition true. Now see the fourth one, fifth one. See the fourth one, fifth one. I is equal to I plus f1 of n. What is the n value? 3. Remember, whenever you say f1 of 3, right here in this function, 3 times will execute. 9 plus 3, 12. First time 10. Next time 11. Next time 12. 3, right? 9 plus 3, 12. So 12 will be written. This is 12 will be written. Already I value how much? 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 12, 26. 26 will be stored. Next one, right? F2 of n, where n is 2. N is 2. So similarly, it will call further. 1 completed, 2 completed, 3 also completed. Can you see the 4 and 5? What are the 4? I is equal to I plus f1 of n, where n is 2. Remember, this will increment by 2 times. It became 13, it became 14. Right? This became 14. So 14 plus, what is the I value already? 26. 26 plus 14, which is going to be 40. So this will become 40. Right? 40 will be there. After completion of the fourth one, see the fifth one. F2 of n, where n is 1. Again, recursion started. 1 will complete, 2 will complete, 3 will complete. So n value 1 greater than 0, condition is true. Right? Let's go to fourth one. I is equal to I plus f1 of n, where n is 1. One time it will execute. It became 15. So I is equal to I plus 40 plus 15, which is going to be 55. 55. Fourth line is completed. Right? Next one, fifth one. What is the fifth one? F2 of n, where n is 0 is called. F2 of n, where n is 0 is called. Because of 0, just go to the first step, second step. Okay. Third step, see, if n is greater than 0, return I. This is saying return I, where I is 55. 55 will be written. The output of this program is 55. So if you want, you can see the series also. First time I value 5. Next time 9 will be added, 14. Right? Next one, 14 plus 12. 14 plus 5, 26. Plus 14, 40. Plus 15. So this is the series what is happened, which is 55. Sir, I of F2 will be written 1. See there, 55. See the 55. I of F2 will be written 55. If anyone having small doubt also, right, please work on this problem. If anyone having little doubt also, this may come in the exam. Sir, how to know when we have to put I value, like in start or in end? I didn't get what you are saying. Arey, Bhushan, what you are saying? How to know when we have to put I value, like starting or ending? Sir, I of F2 will be written R F1, right? So see this. See this, see. In this function, if you observe, return I. Always remember, return means go to previous. Return means go to previous. I will show that also. See this one. When you say return, this 55 will goes to here. Right? This will goes to here. This will goes to here. This will goes to here. Return, all return. See, remember it is a recursion. Everywhere there is a return. Everywhere there is a return. See, everywhere there is a return. So he will also return here. He will also return here. It's a recursive program. It is a recursive program. Finally, it return 50. So remember, every function call is a push operation. See, first E will push, next 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 E will be pushed. Now in the reverse pop is going on. How many push, those many pop. How many push are happened, those many pops are happened. Sir, where is recursion? Where is the main function? So that is not given main. See, this is main. I can say this is the main. Is not given main, but as a computer science student, you can understand. See, this is called from main. This is the main actually. You don't want to give a big program. You want to give same meaning. Right? So this one. When we have to put the value at the start or end. Arey Boshan, what you are asking, yaar? When we have to put the value at the start or end? Which value? There are two i's are there. See, initially said static int I. Initially you keep I value 0. Whenever it is updating, you keep on update. See, here updated. I updated. Initially I kept 0. Okay. At this place 5 came. I updated to 5. Next one I became 14. I updated here. Next one I became 14 plus 12 26. I updated. Keep on updating. Starting value I will keep. Ending value I will keep ending. It is keep on updating. It is a keep on updating. I is initially 0. Next one 5 came. Next one 5 plus 9 12 came. 14 came. So like that, just keep on updating. Initially 0 plus 5 5 plus 9 14 14 plus 12 26 26 plus 14 right 40 plus 15 55. This will come in the exam. Mark everyone. Mark my lines. This may come in the exam. This will come in the examination. Either similar or little modification. This may come in the exam. Everyone be ready. Arey, see, sochna padega. Arey, you will be blocked. Sir, next question. Arey, gootle, you will be blocked. Arey, keep on doing spam. Next question, please. Can't you control? If you don't control, you will go to jail, yaar. Sochna padega. Bhaiya, sochna padega. You will go to jail. Control, yaar. Control. Thank you. Gate questions. Thank you so much. Thank you. Can we go further? Next problem. Can we go further? Next problem. Extremely sorry. No need to say sorry. No need. Just right, because of you are doing some nonsense, I scolded. You no need to say sorry. You are like my brother. Why to say sorry? You are like my younger brother. Right. Can we move to next two? If everyone okay, if you got this problem, can you say, sir, I got it, sir? If you got this problem, can you say, I got it, sir? If you can get this one, you will get anything. In the C programming, you will get the maximum marks. In the C programming, you will get the maximum marks. If you can get this one in the C programming, you will get the maximum marks. Everyone, whoever got, say, I got it. Say I got it. Say I got it. If you can get this one, you will get the full marks in the C programming. This is the only complex problem. This is only complex problem. See, some people are watching and going. Some people are watching and going. Are if you watch and you go, who will subscribe? Yeah. Are subscribe, click on the subscribe button, man. Some people are coming, watching, going. Who will subscribe? Your papa will subscribe, or your mama, or your sibling, or your friend. Who will subscribe? Are click on subscribe button, yeah. Some people coming, watching, going. Just coming, watching, going. Who will click on the subscribe button? You or your friend. Who will click, yeah? Those people who are not clicked on the subscribe button, go to hell. Go to hell, yaar. Those people who didn't click on the subscribe button, go to hell. अरे सोचना पड़ेगा. Go to hell. अरे आदित्य, don't you click on the subscribe button? अरे Bhushan, are you there? Bhushan, are you there? Yeah, chalo then. Chalo. Next problem. This one you got means you will get anything. Next problem. Can you try this? This is the next problem. Can you try this? Try. Let's see how many people will give answer. Let's see how many people will give answer. Everyone try. Everyone try. Everyone. Everyone. Please try. Don't sit idle. See, you are sitting idle. Entire year you sit idle. Can't you try now also? Total year sitting idle. At least now, can't you try? At least now? Can't you try at least now, yaar? KF is saying D. Everyone saying D. Let's see. Let's see once. Let's see once. I'm starting. Everyone see this. Everyone see. Everyone see. I'm giving answer of this problem. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. I'm giving answer of this problem. Can you see once? Can you see once? This is the small trick here. Small trick. See this one. Int A. Careful everyone. Int A. Careful everyone. Everyone observe. Int A. When you say int A memory will allocate. Address 1000. Because of you didn't return anything, by default garbage. Int A. Right? Int A. So 1000 is the memory location. Because of you didn't kept anything, garbage. Okay, fine. Now see the answer. Everyone know. Everyone know. Purpose of scanf. Purpose of scanf is going to be, careful, taking the input. While running, if you want to take the input. While running, if you want to take the input, scanf required. Remember, scanf ampersand A. Scanf ampersand A. Remember everyone. Whenever this program is running, listen. Whenever this program is running, when the processor comes to here, whenever program is running, when processor came to here, processor will stop running. Processor came to this statement. By seeing scanf, processor will stop running. It will ask enter the number. Assume that you enter the number 50. Whenever processor will see scanf, processor will stop running and it will ask enter the number. Assume you enter the number 50. If you enter the number 50, right, that number will goes to whatever address provided here. You are given address here 1000. It will go inside this 1000. Inside this 1000 it will go. Here it is 50. Whichever number you enter, it will goes to whatever address you provided. Whatever address you provided, inside that address, the number whichever you are entering, it will go there. Try to understand this. The purpose of this program is asking, do you know scanf or not? The purpose of this program is asking, do you know scanf or not? Remember, scanf in this area, address required. Scanf in this area, address required, because whatever number you enter, it will go inside this address. If you okay, can you see this? If you okay, can you see this one? First line, memory will allocate for I. Memory will allocate for I. Because of you didn't kept anything, by default garbage. First line is over. Can you see the second line? Can you see the second line? Forget about this one. Someone is saying compilation error. Remember, it is a small I only. Sorry for that. Thank you so much for some people are saying capital like this, right? So I'm really sorry. I could have written I only, but anyhow, it is a small letter only. So int star pi. Remember, one pointer variable also created. Address of this one is 2000. This pointer variable is saying that please give address. Pointer variable expecting address. Ampersand type. I address is given, which is 1000. So that is the second line. PI saying that I want address. So ampersand I means I address you given. Everything is fine. Now observe everyone. Everyone observe. Whenever scanf is running by processor, by seeing scanf, processor will stop running. It will ask to enter the number. Assume you enter the number 78. Assume. By seeing scanf, processor will stop running. It will ask to enter the number. You enter the number 78, assume that 78 will goes to whatever address you provided. Remember, PI means 1000. It will go inside 1000. Inside 1000, G there. Inside G, 78 will go. Whatever address you provided here, it will go inside that address. 78 will go there. Lastly, printf percentage D, I plus 5. I contains 78 plus 5, which is going to be 83. So the purpose of this program is, on the execution, the value printed is 5 more than the integer value enter. Okay. If you enter 78, it will print 83. Yeah. In the place of pi, they could have written ampersand I. If they write ampersand I, everyone will give correct answer. Arey, sochna padega. Are you getting? If at all he will give ampersand I, then every student will give correct answer. Their intention is all people cannot go to IIT because IIT having limited seats. IIT having limited seats, all cannot go to IIT. So they want to do small gambling. In the place of ampersand I, they kept PI. They want to know correct person should go to IIT. All people cannot go to IIT. Only few people. They want to keep some filter. How the filter they kept? They kept in the place of ampersand I. PI they written. If you know basics, you will go to IIT. If you okay with the basics, you will go to IIT. No need to discourage. If anyone done wrong, see, if anyone done wrong before the gate exam, if you do wrong, no problem. Before the gate exam, if you do wrong, no problem. If you do wrong in the gate exam, problem will be there. Problem is there if you do in the gate examination wrong. If you do wrong now, no problem. If you do wrong in the test series, no problem. If you do wrong in the test series, no problem. If you do wrong now, no problem. Please identify the mistake, rectify. Please identify the mistake and rectify. So the answer of this program is going to be 78 plus 5, 83. Means 5 more than the integer value returned. See, some people are asking if that is the case, sir, this is also right. This is also right, but see here, 5 more than the address. Remember everyone, I is a normal variable. How address will come? I is a normal variable, is not a pointer variable. If he is not a pointer variable, how address will come? I plus 5 is value only. On execution of the value printed is 5 more than the integer value entered. It is a very, very nice question. With the help of this problem is verifying, are you okay with the basics or not? Are you okay with the scanf or not? Scanf statement, are you okay or not? He checking that. I am really saying, if you comfortable, all the programs, whatever I am explaining, if you comfortable, all the programs, whatever I am explaining, you will get the full marks. You will get the full marks, I am saying to you. Someone is saying star PI, same thing, na? Star PI also same. I plus 5 at the end, if we say star PI, the value inside PI is 1000, star 1000, the value inside 1000, that is 78. Yeah, so I think someone is saying if one does not enter anything at runtime, if you don't enter, you cannot go further. If you don't enter, you cannot go further. Right? Assume that you are not entered, you cannot go further. Then it don't give any output. It don't give any output. You have to enter. If you don't enter, right? If you don't enter, you are seeing computer seeing you. You are seeing computer like this. Computer also seeing like this. This is called deadlock. Computer thinking that this buffalo will enter something. You are thinking that computer will give something. This is called deadlock. This is called deadlock. Then which option? Right? One option should be there, deadlock. Then one option should be there, deadlock. Computer thinking that this buffoon will enter. But you are thinking that this computer dog will, right, give the some output. You both are waiting for each other. This is called deadlock. Yeah, fine. Few problems, right? Because for my greatness, I cannot bring everything from outside, right? This is the nice problem, so I want to explain. This is the nice problem I want to explain. Sir, what if I just press enter key? Right? Whatever you enter, plus 5. If you enter a valid number, see, I should be an integer. You have to enter integer. You have to enter integer. Any integer you enter. Remember, every character having ASCII value. Every character. Suppose if you enter A having ASCII value 97. If you enter capital A, it is having ASCII value 65. Whatever you enter, because of it is a one character, ASCII value there. Everything having some ASCII value, don't worry. Enter also having some ASCII value, bhaiya. Bhaiya, enter also having some ASCII value, yaar. Whatever you enter, +5. Every character which is visible on the screen, it is having some ASCII value. I don't know whom you will marry. You will torture her. Arey sochna padega, you will torture her. I don't know whom you will marry. That person will get lot of torture from you. You almost doing ragging. If I enter this, if I enter that, she will file a case, domestic violence. She will file a case, domestic violence. Then you will get the clarity. She will file a case, domestic violence. Then you will get the pain. Then you will get the pain. Hurry, how many times, yaar? How many times? If I enter. Yeah, let's move to next problem. Let's move to next. Yeah. So let's go to the answer. Right. What is the answer of this? Can you go ahead? Yeah, can you go ahead? What is the answer of this? It is also a nice problem. Can you go ahead? It is a nice problem. Please, can you go ahead? Everyone, can you try? Array, until now you are sitting idle only. Entire year you are sitting idle. Can't you try now also? Now also can't you try, yaar? Entire year sitting idle. Can't you try now also? Can't you try now also, yaar? क्या आदमी यार? अभी तुम नहीं ट्राई करेगा क्या यार? ट्राई यार. Entire year sitting. You don't try now also. Someone is saying that should I find true or false? Yeah, find true statement. Yeah, find true statements. So Boshan saying nice Hindi. Array buffoon Boshan. Give answer. He is praising me. I thought of I will praise you. He is praising me. Nice Hindi, right? So array buffoon Boshan. Try this. He is praising me. Everyone trying the problem, he is praising me. I tried little bit of Hindi. He is praising me. Try karo yaar. Arey Boshan bhaiya, try karo yaar. Boshan bhaiya, try karo. अरे where is the Ashwini? अरे अश्विनी कहाँ पे यार? अश्विनी कहाँ पे यार? Srishti madam, can you check all? Srishti madam stopped in the S1 only. Srishti madam, can't you check remaining? Remaining, don't you check? She stopped also. S1 bus. Simply S1 bus. Everyone, can you try this? अरे अश्विनी कहाँ पे यार? So Srishti, can you post in the group? अश्विनी कहाँ पे? Yeah, let me give answer. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. So main program is not given. Observe everyone. Observe everyone. Main program is not given. Main program is not given. See, this is the main program. This is the main program. See everyone. This is the main program. This is the main program. Main program is not given. So from main program, this function is called. Let us assume that this function name is fab. Let us assume that this function name is fab. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. This function name is fab. Let us assume that first one I pass a null. First one I pass a null. Assume first one I pass a null. Second also I pass a null. Both I pass a null. When you pass it the first one null, second one null, so null will go here. Null will go here. Remember, px is null. Px, right? Py also null. Remember, both the null came. Can you help me know what is star null? Star null means segmentation error. Star null means segmentation error. Null means no memory. Null means no memory. Star null, segmentation error. Remember, while running, depending upon what you pass, while running, you may get segmentation error. So, may generate segmentation fault at runtime, depending on the arguments passed. So, S2 will be true. Remember, will generate a compilation error. Will generate a compilation, no compilation error. While running, depending upon what you pass, you may get segmentation error. Because if I pass null, star null, segmentation error will come. May generate segmentation fault at runtime depending on the arguments passed. If you pass both null, you will get segmentation error. While running, it is a running. While running, you may get segmentation error. And one more thing, may add or subtract pointer. Remember, 2 pointers you can subtract, but 2 pointers you cannot add. 2 pointers you cannot add. It is wrong. 2 pointers you cannot add. You can subtract 2 pointer if they are both belongs to same array. If they both belongs to same array, you can subtract. But 2 pointers you cannot add. 2 pointers you cannot add. Please be careful. Next one. See this one. Implements the swap procedure correctly for some, but not all valid input pointer. Yeah, only for few, but not for all valid. This is also correct. Implement the swap procedure correctly for some, but not all valid input pointers. Next one, correctly implement the swap procedure for all input pointer referring to integer stored in the memory location accessible to process. Now observe here. One more observation can you see? He is saying that if you give valid inputs, it will always produce the right correct output is saying. Let me check one interesting fact. Can you see this one? Can everyone see this? So swap, listen, swap x comma x. Assume that x is 10. Assume that x is 10. Swap x comma x. So address is going, because of pointer is expecting, it is also 1000. Let us assume that same person I am giving same address. You only say 10. If you swap again, 10 only will come. If I give the same person, see what is happening. 1000 I will go here. It is also 1000 go here. Right? When you swap x itself, same thing should come. But see the problem. Star 1000, star 1010. Star 1010. 10 minus 10, 0. So star 1000, 0. This became 0. Next one. Star 1000, 0. Star 1000, 0. This is 0. Next one. Star 1000, 0. Star 1000, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. See, if I give the same person, twice, instead of giving the value as right 10 only, unnecessarily is making 0. If I swap the 10 only will come. How 0 will come? So correctly implement the swap procedure for all input pointer referring to integer stored in the memory location accessible to the process. No. So answer is S2, S4. There is no compilation error. Answer is S2, S4. C. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Some doubt may be there, you can ask me. Some doubt may be there, you can ask me. If anyone having small doubt, x is 10, which is 1000. If we give the same person twice, it is coming as 0. So careful. Yeah, it will fail for some people. If you give valid people also, for some people it will fail. Implement the swap procedure correctly for some, but not all valid input parameters. So S4 is 2. Next one. May generate segmentation fault at runtime depending on the arguments passed. If you pass null, there is a segmentation error. Implement the swap procedure correctly for some. If you take other than this, you apply normal. X is 10, Y is 20. Normally, swap procedure will work out. If you give X and Y, right, where X contain 10, Y contain 20, no problem. It will work out. What is the segmentation fault in C programming language? Accessing some memory which is not available. Null means no memory. Null means no memory. When you say star null, right, you are trying to access some memory which is not available. It is something like go to hell. Segmentation error is nothing but go to hell. You are trying to access something which is not available. Null means not available. Star null, segmentation error. But pointer not work for addition. How it will work? So there is no pointer, right? Array 60 star px became value. Px is a pointer, star px value, na? Px is address, star px value, na? Star px value will come. Px is address, star px value, na? Everyone try. Don't sit idle, bhaiya. Bhaiya, don't sit idle. Bhaiya, don't sit idle, bhaiya. If any doubt is there, please ask me. Sir, why not this is correct? If you postpone now also, there is no meaning. If you postpone now also, there is no meaning. If anyone is postponing now also, there is no meaning. Don't postpone. Please don't postpone. Please don't postpone. At least try now. At least try. Answer for this one is C. Anyone having any doubt? Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Anyone having any doubt? So this rank improvement course, DBMS, already, right? 200 problems are there. 200 problems we are already solved in the rank improvement course. DLD, 200 problems we are already solved. One more 100 going to be added. Next one, Algo, 200 problems are already solved. Next one, CN, approximately 300 problems are already solved. If you completed the syllabus, it is the most probable course. It will be really useful. I strongly recommend this one to all the people who completed the syllabus. I strongly recommend. If anyone is not done, please do it. Please do it. Every subject will take maybe 5 days. Every subject maybe take, maybe if you plan properly, 2 or 3 days only. Every subject will take 2 or 3 days only. Every subject. Same time. Same time. Same time. Same time. Right. Consider the following C, right? Following C program. Can you go ahead? Can you go ahead? Consider the following C program. Right. Can you go ahead? What is the answer of this? Everyone try this. It's a very simple one. In all the problems, it is very simple. In all the problem, it is very simple. Some modification to PYQs, little bit modifications. Everyone try this. Everyone. Everyone try. Yeah, let me try this. Let me try this one. So main program, calculate of 4 and 81. 4 and 81. So it is a 4, it is a 81. So calculate of 4 comma 81. It is A, it is B. It is A and it is B. Calculate of A comma B, 4 comma 81. Everyone have to try. Coming and sitting idle, there is no meaning in that. Coming to the class and sitting idle, there is no meaning. So remember, so counter is a global variable. Counter is a global variable which is 0. Counter is a global variable which is 0. So inside if you go, first step, counter plus plus, it became 1. It became 1. So let's try this one. It is the first statement, it is the second one, it is the third one, it is the fourth one, it is the fourth one. So first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Right? Let's see this one. So first statement is over. Second statement is B is equal to 3, B 81. No. Go to else part. But else part there are 3 lines. Else part there are 2 lines. 3 also, 4 also. Go to the 3. Go to the 3. C is equal to calculate of A comma, right, 81 by 3, which is going to be 27. So it is a B. A is going to be 4. A no change. So again it is a recursion. Can you go further? First step. Counter plus plus 2. Is B is equal to 3? No. So 3, 4. What is the 3? Right? C is equal to calculate of A comma B by 3. A comma B by 3. A is same only. 27 by 3, 9. It is a recursion. Again, what is the first line? Counter plus plus 3. So I think first line is completed. So second line, B is equal to 3. No. So 3, 4. 3, 4. What is the 3? C is equal to calculate of A comma B by 3. A comma B by 3. So A is 4, B by 3 is 3. Right? So right, C is equal to this one. It is a recursion. Let me continue. So first one, counter plus plus. It became 4. Counter plus plus, it became 4. First line over. See the second line, B is equal to 3. Yes. B is equal to 3. Yes. Then return A into A. So 4 into 4 into 4. Return A into A. 4, 4, 16, 16, 4, 64. It will be 64. C will become 64. What is the fourth line? Return C. Return CC, 64 into 64. But remember, while going back, C is keep on updating. Okay. Lastly, what is asking? Can you see the problem? What is counter variable? He is not asking what is the return value. He is not asking what the return value. What is the counter variable? Counter variable at the end 4 only. C is keep on updating. See, at this place 64, here became 64 cube. This 64 cube will goes to here. 64 cube will goes to here. Here 64 cube, right? Into 64 cube into 64 cube. So 64 cube whole power 3. Maybe 9. So anyhow, if really required, we will calculate, but not required. He is asking what is the counter variable. Counter variable is 4 only. Yeah, it is a time waste only. Exactly, time waste only. Someone said it is a 3. No, bhaiya, it is not 3, it is a 4. Yeah, it is a 4. Every time counter will increment by 1. How many times called C? First time, second time, third time, fourth time. How many times this function is called? Those many times counter will increment. How many times this function is called? Those many times counter will increment. Yeah, so yeah, I think all our EPT, right? On all EPT, it is going on live. On all EPT things, it is going on live, right? Fine. Thanks. Thank you so much for observation. Thank you so much for observation. See, today I done 5. Today I done 5 problems. Tomorrow I will try to finish minimum 15 problems. But thing is, forget about number of problems. They are very tough. Forget about number of problems. They are very tough. So this problem itself is taken half an hour. My suggestion to everyone, please can you go through all the problem one time. My suggestion to all the people, please go through all the problems one time. All the problems one time you go. Tomorrow I will promise you minimum 15 I will do. Tomorrow I will do minimum 15. So there is a foundation course is going on for 2026 people, 2027 people. Foundation course is going on. Those people who want to write 2026 or 27, you can join here. So this is our WhatsApp number. Go to the exampreptool.com. From there also you can join, right? So those people who want to go for development, full stack web development course also there with internship, right? With internship, right? Full stack web development course with internship. There approximately 3 projects will be done. Approximately 3 projects will be done, right? Internship certificate also will provide. We will do 3 projects also. Full stack app development course also available, right? It is also internship also there, and we will provide the internship certificate also. 3 projects we are going to do this, right? So tomorrow we will complete the minimum 15 problems. Until that time, please keep on practicing. Please keep on practicing. So sir, your class heading is misleading. 300 questions PYQs. Combination, I can say combination of all. Right? Combination of all. Right? It is not misleading. All good problems. All good problems. If you want, I will. If you say change, I will change. 300 tough problem. My goal is not the gate or this one. My goal is useful problems 300. My goal is useful problems 300. So they are also my team members. They are also my team members. Right? So one person is right. One person is teaching the right some subjects. One more person is some more subjects and all. Right. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. See you in the next class. Thanks everyone. If anyone didn't like, right, so please like the session. Please subscribe. If possible, comment so that it will reach many people. Yeah, tomorrow we'll see. Tomorrow we will see. Today we done only 5 problems. Tomorrow I will try to do as many problems as possible. Right. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Thank you, Srishti.